Howdy folks, Ed here. Welcome back to Bullnose Garage. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. I have a product here from DynoVox, and it is a set of headers for my 351W. So they sent this set to me and asked me to do a little review of them for you guys. So that's what I'm doing today. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to have time to put those on the actual vehicle itself. I can't get them on the engine. Obviously, the engine's not ready for that. But what I can do is go through the package, open it up, take a look at them, see their quality, and let you know what I think. So let's get into it. All right, so here's the box I got. We're starting fresh. Everything is even still in the bubble wrap. So let's take a look at these bad boys. These are stainless steel. They look really good. They come with the brackets, reducers, your gaskets, and your hardware. And there you go. What you see is what you get. Now, when I put these on mine, which I will, I think I'd probably go with ARP bolts instead of the ones that come with this. That's not to say that these bolts aren't good. I don't know that they're not good, but ARP is kind of the standard. And since I'm building a performance engine, I want to make sure that I get the best. So that's what I'll probably do there. But let's take a look at these actual headers themselves. Oh, man, I love new engine parts. All right, so I will be the first to admit that I am not a header expert. I'm just some schmo with a bullnose who likes working on it in his spare time. But I can tell you when I think something is pretty high quality, and these seem to be pretty high quality. They are 304 stainless steel, and I mean, this look, shiny. I mean, yeah, they are beautiful. I can't wait to get these on my 351 when I finally do that build. All right, so what do you get? You get a couple of headers, obviously. Get a couple of reducers. This will take you from 3 inches down to 2.5 if that's the size of your exhaust. Obviously, you get the gaskets and you get a couple of hangers and you get your mounting hardware. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the important stuff, right? Obviously, like I said, they seem to be pretty well built. They're nice and solid. The rudders on there look like they're configured pretty well. Here's the welds, so you can see what the welds look like. I am not a welding expert by any means, but they do look pretty good to me. There's your welds on top. And just for the sake of consistency, so that you can see how their manufacturing processes are for 2 separate pieces, here's the other one. So I know how heavy these are because I'm holding on to them. But how thick are they? On the tin, it says they should be 1.5 millimeters. Well, I got my handy dandy Harbor Freight caliper, and let's see what it says. Oh, let's not pull the battery out of there. Handy dandy Harbor Freight quality right there. Let's get that back. Come on now, get on there. Hey, there we go. Battery compartment in there. All right. Is 0. Okay. Now we're ready. Let's see how thick it is. And it says 1.52. and 1.47, depending on how I roll it. Obviously, because it's rounded, it's kind of hard to get an exact measurement. But, you know, I do think, let's see, there's 1.6, 1.51. Yeah, I think that's going to be exactly what they say it is, 1.5 millimeters. So for the sake of complete transparency, there is one thing that I want to mention. The company, DynoVox, that sent me these, again, they sent me these for free for me to keep them and put them on my truck. They're not paying me for this. So they are a little expensive. These are about $3.89 for the set on their website. Now they have said that they'll make a deal for my viewers. It'll be down in the comments. But they do come with a 3-year warranty from DynoVox. Now, again, to be fair, I don't know how good that warranty is going to be. I haven't had to deal with their customer service. I have dealt with them as part of this this video preparation for them to send me these headers, and they've been very responsive. They've gotten back to me within 24 hours every single time. Now, obviously, they're trying to get me to make a video to do a review for you guys. So, you know, they're trying to grow their business. They're trying to reach out. You know, the other thing I've noticed is that they've been posting a lot on like 4x4 forums and other automotive forums, trying to get their brand out there. So what they mainly make is exhaust stuff. They kind of specialize in EGR delete stuff, tubes and fittings and stuff to do those sorts of projects. So, you know, if you're looking to do an EGR delete, or, they got a couple videos out there about exhaust dumps, electronic exhaust dumps, and just a bunch of stuff that comes with exhaust. So if you're looking into that, you may want to give them a shout, but they're fairly new. So, if you're willing to, they gave me a chance, small channel, trying to get out there and, promote their products. And so I really do appreciate that. And like I said, I will definitely be putting this on my truck when that time comes, when I get that engine ready to go. So I'm looking forward to that. And as much as I'm not a mechanic, I am kind of a perfectionist. So I've been doing a lot of research on basically every part that's going to go on that engine. And I wouldn't put a part on the engine that I don't trust. And that's just the way that it is. And even with my limited experience in headers and parts and that kind of stuff, man, these are heavy. They feel like they're really well built. They just look beautiful. So, take that for what it's worth. Take it with a grain of salt from me, because again, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a schmo. All right. And I got these for free, but I will tell you that they're not paying me. So the fact that I got them for free has not tainted this review or anything. It is just a straight, honest, what you see is what you get with me, guys. We'll see how they go. It's like the bolts, right? I'm gonna use ARP because, anyway. Yeah, so when we put these on my truck, when we put them on the engine, because I'm gonna run it on a stand, we'll see how it goes. So anyway, as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, gripes, internet ramblings, put them below. I'll have links below to all of this stuff and the DynoVox website for more information. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we will see you next time.